Hello masters, so now let me show you how to debug these two errors if you are using the Compkit. If you upload your custom texture, you need to set up two things. If you have this edge on the texture, as you can see here, you need to go to the texture. So double click on it, and it's here, and type filter, and here if you change the filter to nearest and save it, you see the edge is gone. So that's the first issue. And the second one, as you can see here, when I'm far from the picture, it's a bit pixelated, but when I closer to the picture, it looks quite well. So it's by the map. So if I open this picture and I will set this map settings from texture group to no maps, and I will see the error is gone. And you can do these settings on all the textures at once, easily by selecting them all, right click, a selection, edit section with property matrix. In here, select all, and here type filter and set the nearest. Now it's computing. Okay, so it's done. And then we have the map again settings, and let's set it to no maps. So if you make these changes to your textures, what you're going to use in the Compkit, it will have the best result.